Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to make this beautiful Jessica dress. So let's start. You will need your fabrics, some elastic, sewing supplies, and the sewing patterns that you can download from our website. You can check the description box below for the links. Let's start with the shoulder straps. Place the straps with the right sides facing downwards. Fold and iron as shown. Fold again and stitch them down. Place the front bodice, lining and top pieces together, right sides facing each other. Mark these corners of the neckline. Start sewing from one side of the armhole. When you reach the corner, pivot your needle and turn the piece. Place your straps in between the bodice pieces at the corners as shown. Cut notches along the curves. Turn the bodice piece over and iron. Onto the back bodice, place the lining on top of the main bodice, right sides facing each other. Sandwich the straps where the notches are indicated. Stitch them together. Turn the piece over and iron it. Mark out horizontal lines using a chalk onto the right side of the back bodice. Stitch these lines down except for the last one. Let's keep the bodice aside and move on to the pockets. Place the pockets right sides facing downwards. Double fold and stitch the pocket openings. Fold the seam allowance along the curve as shown. Pin the pockets onto the front skirt piece. Top stitch along the pocket curve. stitch vertically down the sides to hold them in place. Let's add gathers onto our front skirt piece. Increase the stitch length, pull out some thread, stitch all the way across and leave some extended threads as you finish. Use these thread extensions to gather the piece towards the center. Pin the skirt onto the lining as shown and stitch them together. Fold the seam allowance of the top bodice inwards, sandwiching the skirt, and top stitch. Add gathers onto the back skirt as well. Pin the back lining to the back skirt and stitch. Fold the seam allowance of the back bodice inwards and stitch. Now sew down the last stitch line of the back bodice that we had previously marked. Pass the elastic into the first casing and stitch the ends. Add the rest of the elastic pieces into the casings and sew down the edges. With the right sides of the dress facing inwards, pin and stitch the side seams. Overlock these seams. Double fold and stitch the hemline of the dress. Your dress is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please press that like button and subscribe to my channel. I also have other sewing tutorials, so do check them out as well. I will see you all very soon in another video. Until then, take care. Bye.